Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Easyshare and signing in. This links your device to the app ecosystem. Once done, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi so Easyshare can negotiate a direct local connection for speed. Make sure to grant storage and location permissions. Without them, the app cannot see files or nearby devices. Tap the Send or Receive button to start a session, and pick the exact file types you want to share so the app prepares optimal transfer settings. Now select what to send. Choose Files, Photos, or Apps and use Multi-Select to queue everything at once. After selection, scan the nearby devices list or have the receiver show their QR code. QR pairing is faster and prevents accidental connections. Confirm the receiving device name and the total transfer size so you know bandwidth and time expectations. Start the transfer and watch progress. You can pause if you need to free bandwidth or cancel a file. Finish by waiting for the 100% confirmation and verify transferred files with previews or checksums to ensure integrity. If a file fails, use the retry option for just that item. If multiple failures occur, restart pairing and re-establish the Wi-Fi/Bluetooth link to clear transient errors. Once complete, clean up any temporary transfer files and revoke permissions you no longer need. This reduces background access and keeps
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.